Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make quesadillas in the oven. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's perfectly ready for baking. Next, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 8-inch flour tortillas, about 1 cup of shredded cheese, and any fillings you love, like cooked chicken or sautéed vegetables. Finally, line a large baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. This simple preparation sets the stage for deliciousness. Now it's time to assemble your quesadillas. Place 1 8-inch tortilla flat on your parchment-lined baking sheet. Take about 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like Monterey Jack or cheddar, and sprinkle it evenly over just 1/2 of the tortilla. Then, add your pre-cooked fillings, such as 2 tablespoons of seasoned chicken or black beans, making sure they are spread thinly. Finally, carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filled half, creating a neat crescent shape. With your quesadillas assembled, it's time to bake them to golden perfection. Carefully place the baking sheet into your preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Allow them to bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. After 4 or 5 minutes, gently flip each quesadilla to ensure both sides become beautifully golden brown and crispy. You'll know they are ready when the cheese is fully melted and bubbling, and the tortillas have a lovely, light golden hue. Your delicious oven-baked quesadillas are now ready. Carefully remove the baking sheet from the hot oven. It's important to let them cool for just 1 or 2 minutes. This allows the cheese to set slightly and prevents burns. Using a sharp knife, cut each crescent-shaped quesadilla into 3 or 4 easy-to-handle wedges. Serve them immediately with your favorite accompaniments, such as salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. Enjoy your perfectly crispy, cheesy creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.